Hi guys, and welcome to a new video on Minimal Nerd. Today I have two smart speakers that I want to compare. We've got the Echo Dot, the 4th generation. This is the new one. And I got my trusty, Google Home Mini. So I had this device for almost a year and a half now, and this one is only for a couple of weeks. So I want to compare today a bit of the sound quality, but we're gonna focus more on the assistants. So we're gonna compare Google Assistants versus Alexa. So this is a video more about the assistants. If you wanna watch a video about the sound quality, I actually compared more speakers, including the HomePod Mini, the Nest Audio, and these two devices side by side. So I'm gonna put the link of that video down in the description. So if you want to watch the audio quality of these devices, check that video. But today we're just gonna focus more on the assistant features. Okay, let's get to it. Alexa, play Spotify.
Here's Spotify.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perderlo.
Next song. Next song.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what Give me what I'm looking for.
Hey Google, play Spotify.
Got it. Here's Spotify.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda.
Next song.
We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around.
Next song.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
I tell you a pretzel joke, but it's too twisted.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why did the school kids eat their homework? Because their teacher told them it was a piece of cake.
Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Alarm set for 7 a.m., 5 hours and 57 minutes from now.
Hey Google, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Tomorrow at 7 a.m. Set.
Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
Hey Google, set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, find my phone.
Sorry, I can't call a phone number.
Hey Google, find my phone.
Okay, your phone should be ringing now.
Alexa, play BBC Radio.
BBC World Service News from TuneIn.
The expert advice that we had in this investigation was that it would not have made a hugely significant difference.
Hey Google, play BBC Radio.
Streaming BBC Radio 4 from the BBC.
Now, The Great Leap Forward is a really important part of the backstory to the Cultural Revolution for a few reasons. First, it revealed Mao's eagerness.
Alexa, tell me the tech news of today.
Okay, but first, a quick update. Now when you ask for the news,
You'll hear NPR's news channel.
Live from NPR News, I'm Shay Stevens. Coronavirus infections nationwide have risen about.
Hey Google, what's the tech news of today?
Here's the latest technology news from Engadget at 4:29 a.m. today.
Hey, good afternoon from Engadget. It's Wednesday, December 16th. I'm Kyle Sauerhofer, and here's what's happening in the world of technology.
Alexa, read a bedtime story.
I have a skill for that. Would you like to try Disney Stories?
Yes.
Okay, here's Disney Stories. To use Disney Stories, a parent needs to give permission. To do that, I sent some information to the home screen of your Alexa app.
Hey Google, tell me a bedtime story.
Okay, here's a bedtime story from Storynori on Google Play Books. It's called The Rat and the Elephant.
The Rat and the Elephant. Some people say that rats are ugly creatures. When they see a rat running along, they go,
Alexa, how do you say happy birthday in French?
Happy birthday, in French is Joyeux anniversaire.
Hey Google, how do you say happy birthday in French?
In French, you would say Bon anniversaire.
Alexa, what's 5 pounds in ounces?
5 pounds is 80 ounces.
Hey Google, what's 5 pounds in ounces?
5 pounds is 80 ounces.
Alexa, when's the next Olympics?
The 2020 Summer Olympic Games are scheduled to start in Tokyo, Japan on Friday, July 23, 2021 and end on Sunday, August 8, 2021.
Hey Google, when's the next Olympics?
2020 Summer Olympics will begin on Friday, July 23, 2021 and ends on Sunday, August 8th.
Alexa, call Zach.
Did you mean Zackable?
Yes.
Calling Zackable's Alexa devices.
Hey Google, call Zach.
Making an audio call to Zachariah AGHBAL on Duo.
Alexa, announce dinner is ready.
Announcing.
Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Hey Google, broadcast dinner is ready.
Okay, broadcasting now. By the way, now you can broadcast to a specific device or room. For example, you could ask me to broadcast to bedroom.
Broadcast dinner is ready to my phone.
Okay, broadcasting now. What's the message?
Dinner is ready. Alexa, find me a beefsteak recipe.
Okay, for beefsteak, I recommend beefsteak fajitas from Simply Recipes. 1 hour, 25 minutes to make. Serves for. What would you like? Start recipe. Send it to your phone? Or here next recipe.
Send it to my phone.
Okay, sent. To hear the instructions step by step, just ask me to start your recipe.
Alexa, start my recipe.
Beefsteak fajitas from Simply Recipes. There are 11 ingredients. Would you like to gather ingredients or hear the instructions?
Gather ingredients.
Step 1. Marinate the steak. Mix all marinade ingredients. Coat the steak with the marinade and let it sit at room temperature for an hour or longer in the fridge. When you're ready, say repeat or next step.
Next step.
Step 2. Before you cook the meat, wipe off most of the marinade and sprinkle the steak with salt.
Hey Google, tell me a beefsteak recipe.
Sure, I've got a recipe called Filipino beefsteak from All Recipes. This recipe serves 6 and takes about 1 hour and 35 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Great. Would you like to start with ingredients or instructions?
Ingredients.
There are 10 ingredients. You can ask for the next ingredient or skip to the instructions. The first ingredient is 1 lemon, juiced.
Next.
The second ingredient is 3 tablespoons soy sauce.
Tell me the steps.
There are 9 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step. Whisk the lemon juice, soy sauce, sugar, salt, and pepper together in a small bowl.
Next step.
Second step. Place the sliced steak in a large bowl. Pour the lemon juice mixture over the steak and toss to coat.
Alexa, add orange juice to my shopping list.
I've added orange juice to your shopping list.
Hey Google, add orange juice to my shopping list.
Okay, I made a list called shopping and added orange juice.
Alexa, I'd like to order pizza.
Great. Free grocery delivery is available to you from Fresh. I've added a choice for Pizza Tuable's Fresh Cart. What else would you like from Fresh?
Hey Google, I would like to order pizza.
I found a few pizza places. The Pizza Company, Paper Plate Pizza, and Pizza Express Ho Chi Minh. The first is the Pizza Company at 506, 508 Nguyen Thi Minh Khai. Is this the option you want?
Alexa, who stars in The Mandalorian?
The Mandalorian stars include Pedro Pascal, Gina Carano, and Giancarlo Esposito.
Hey Google, who stars in The Mandalorian?
There are 12 people in the cast of The Mandalorian. Here are the first three: Pedro Pascal, Gina Carano, and Carl Weathers.
Alexa, will it rain tomorrow?
It might rain in Ho Chi Minh City tomorrow. There's a 40% chance. You can expect about 1 millimeter.
Hey Google, will it rain tomorrow?
There's a good chance of rain in Ho Chi Minh City tomorrow from 5 to 6 p.m.
Alexa, what's on at the cinema in Texas?
Here's something I found on the web. According to reference.com, the theater's concession service features several snacks common to most movie theaters.
Hey Google, what's on at the cinema?
Some popular films showing around Nguyen Cu Trinh include Wonder Woman 1984, Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba the movie, Mugen Train, and Extreme Job.
Alexa, play true or false.
Okay, here's true or false. Voice Arcade. Welcome to True or False, the game that tells you facts about the world and asks you to guess if they are true or false. How many people want to play?
One.
Nice, one it is. On your marks. Get set. Go. True or false? A blunderbuss is a type of musical instrument?
True.
Oops, you got that one wrong. A blunderbuss was a small 16th century weapon.
Hey Google, let's play a game.
Alright, I have a few options for that. Are you feeling lucky? Song quiz, Jeopardy, and more. Which one do you want to try?
Jeopardy.
Alright, let's get Jeopardy.
This is Jeopardy! And now, here is your host, Alex Trebek.
Thanks, Johnny, and welcome, players. Did you know that every Jeopardy category has an extra sixth clue? And those clues have remained under wraps until now. J6 is your chance to play these extra clues in categories from the latest broadcast. Are you ready to start the clues?
Yes.
Get ready for these clues.
Our first Jeopardy category is streaming service. The environmental group called Protect the River has worked to care for this Russian river, Europe's longest.
Alexa, how long will it take me to get to the nearest cinema?
I can't look up business information just yet.
Hey Google, how long will it take me to get to the nearest cinema?
By car, the journey to Sinistar Cinema Quoc Ton is 2 minutes.
Alexa, get me directions to the nearest Starbucks.
Sorry, I couldn't find what you're looking for.
Hey Google, get me directions to the nearest Starbucks.
The best way to get to Starbucks New World by car is via Duong Nguyen Tri and will take about 9 minutes in moderate traffic. You can see the full route on your phone.
Alexa, how's the traffic driving to the nearest Starbucks?
Sorry, I couldn't find what you're looking for.
Hey Google, how's the traffic driving to the nearest Starbucks?
On your way to Starbucks New World, there's the usual traffic. The usual route is the fastest. It is 9 minutes by car. You can see the full route on your phone.
Alexa, where does Santa live?
Santa Claus lives in the North Pole. You can write to him at Santa Claus, North Pole.
Hey Google, where does Santa live?
Here's what I understood from the website metro.co.uk. The most famous legend is that Santa Claus lives in a cozy residence at the North Pole.
Alexa, what does an elephant sound like?
Here's an elephant trumpet.
Hey Google, what does an elephant sound like?
This is an elephant.
Alexa, what does a lion sound like? Hey Google, what does a lion sound like?
This is what lions sound like.
Alexa, remind me tomorrow to buy some fresh vegetables.
What time tomorrow should I remind you?
Around 11 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Remind me tomorrow to get some fresh vegetables.
Got it. Get some fresh vegetables. This will be for tomorrow. At what time?
11 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Alexa, read Treasure Island from Audible.
This is Audible. Recorded Books Incorporated.
Hey Google, read Treasure Island from Audible.
Welcome to another session of IntelliQuest.
Alexa, play the Vergecast podcast.
Here's the Vergecast from Amazon Music. Playing the latest episode. Apple announces AirPods Max. Qualcomm President Cristiano Amon interview.
This week on the Vergecast, Chris Welch joins us to talk about Apple's new AirPods.
Hey Google, play the Vergecast podcast.
All right, here's where you stopped in the Vergecast. Mark Lavoie on moving from Google to Adobe and the ethics of computational photography, playing on Google Podcasts.
Adyen is the payments platform made for today.
Alexa, how does my day look like?
I don't see a calendar set up. I've sent some help for linking your account to your Alexa app.
Hey Google, how does my day look like?
Hello, Zach. The time is 4:41 p.m. Today at 10 p.m., you have Zoom call. By the way, don't forget to get some fresh vegetables tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Here's the latest news. Continuing Engadget at 4:29 a.m. today.
Workforce. Quantic's global network equips high potential.
Alexa, good night.
Nighty-night. Get some good rest.
Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
6 a.m.
Tomorrow at 6 a.m. Set. One or more devices aren't available. You might want to try setting them up again. I could never get tired of hanging out with you. Good night, Zach.
Alexa, turn on Do Not Disturb.
I won't disturb you.
Hey Google, turn on Do Not Disturb. Alexa, help me sleep.
Okay, I'll start slowing my circuits down. Let's find something to slow yours down too. Would you like bedtime stories, relaxation skills, or sleep sounds? Or you can ask for more options.
Sleep sounds.
Sleep sounds. Here are a few popular ones. Which would you like? Ocean sounds, rain sounds, white noise, thunderstorm sounds, or waterfall sounds. Or you can ask for more options.
Rain sounds.
Here's Rain Sounds by Sleep Jar.
Hey Google, help me sleep.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high.
Alexa, what do you think of Google Assistant?
I like all AIs.
Hey Google, what do you think of Alexa?
I like Alexa's cool blue light. Plus, we share an affinity for Star Wars.
Hey Google, say hi to Alexa.
I'm so excited. I have a question for her. Alexa, will you be my friend?
We're definitely friends, but are we besties? To see how well you know me, just say, quiz me, about you.
Alexa, ask Google a question.
I like it when you ask me questions.